CJ crash error, low-level fatal error, GPU crash dump triggered, 100% fix, Unreal Engine 4. What is this error? The low-level fatal error GPU crash dump triggered usually happens in games built on Unreal Engine 4 when GPU crashes or overloads, drivers are outdated or corrupted, DirectX issues, overclocking instability, game files are broken. Hashtag method 1, update GPU drivers, most important. Outdated drivers equals number 1 cause. Update via NVIDIA GeForce Experience. AMD Radeon software tip, do a clean install, use DDU if needed. Method 2, disable overclocking. If you're using MSI Afterburner or any OC, reset GPU CPU to default, turn off overlays. Overclocking often causes GPU dump crashes. Method 3, force DirectX 11. Many UE4 games crash on DX12. Steps 1, right-click game properties. 2, add launch option. You can see the code in our conversation history. Tattershark method 4, verify game files. Corrupted files equals instant crash. On Steam Epic, verify integrity of files. Method 5, lower graphics settings. Reduce GPU load, shadows low, textures medium, turn off ray tracing. Method 6, increase virtual memory. 1, open advanced system settings. 2, performance settings advanced. 3, virtual memory change set. Initial 8,000 max 16,000 megabytes. Method 7, disable full screen optimization. 1, go to game.exe. 2, properties compatibility. 3, enable, disable full screen optimization, run as admin. Now method 8, reinstall DirectX and VC+. Install latest, DirectX runtime, Visual C++ redistributables, advanced. If still crashing, add this launch option. You can see the code in our conversation history. Common hidden causes, background apps, Discord overlay, OBS, etc., high GPU temps, power supply issues. Final tip, if this error appears in only one game, it's likely the game itself, not your PC. SEO title ideas.